If you want a job in VLSI by 2026, then don't skip this video. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Yours Unknown Trainer, where learning today secures your job tomorrow. If you are watching this video, it means you are curious about your career, and trust me, you are in the right place. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most in-demand fields for the future, VLSI. If you want to secure a job in 2026 in this domain, then don't skip this video. Let's get started. Our main agenda is to secure a job in VLSI domain. Here is today's agenda, that what we are going to discuss in this video. First, what is VLSI? Next, different domains in VLSI. And then top 3 domains you should focus on. And fourth one is jobs available in VLSI and salary ranges. Fifth one is future scope of VLSI. And sixth one is what I will be explaining in upcoming videos. And seventh one is my weekly upload schedule for you. First, what is VLSI? VLSI stands for Very Large Scale Integration. In simple terms, it's the process of creating integrated circuits by combining millions or even billions of transistors into a single chip. It's the technology behind the processors, memory chips, and other devices that power smartphones, laptops, AI systems, and even self-driving cars. Second one is domains in VLSI. There are more domains in VLSI, and let's discuss some major domains. Now the VLSI industry is huge. Some major domains are front-end design. In this, writing HDL code like Verilog, VHDL simulation verification. And next, back-end design. In this, physical design, synthesis, timing analysis. And next, analog and mixed signal design. In this, circuits for sensors, amplifiers, converters. And next is verification and validation. In this, ensuring chips work perfectly before production. And last, testing. It is debugging and testing chips before launch. Let us discuss top 3 domains. If you want to build a strong career in VLSI, focus on these 3 hot domains. First, digital design, also known as front-end design. And next, physical design, also known as back-end design. And third, analog design. It is mixture of front-end and back-end. These domains are in high demand and will continue to grow by 2026. Next, jobs and salaries. In this, let's talk about money. First, freshers. The salary range average from 5 lakh to 12 lakh LPA depending on the company, and mid-level is from 12 lakh LPA to 25 lakh LPA, and for experienced candidates it's about 25 lakh LPA. We have top recruiters include Intel, Qualcomm, Nvidia, Synopsys, Cadence, MediaTek, and Indian startups. Let's discuss about future scope. The demand for chips is skyrocketing. AI, IoT, 5G, electric vehicles, semiconductors for defense. By 2026, India will be one of the leading semiconductor hubs. This means more opportunities, more startups, and more jobs in the VLSI sector. Next, our channel roadmap. On this channel, I will first cover digital electronics. It is the foundation of VLSI. Then we will dive into Verilog. I will keep updating with future videos so that you are always prepared. Next, upload schedule. I will upload videos from Monday to Saturday, or even one video in 2 days. Every Sunday, I will post weekly job updates videos, and the timing is 8 PM daily. So set a reminder for this. This is the end of video. Stay consistent, keep learning, and follow the right path. Thanks for watching. Yours Unknown Trainer, where learning today secures your job tomorrow. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below if you have any doubts or topics you want me to cover. Signing off from this video by Yours Unknown Trainer. Bye.